What if losing a tooth no longer meant getting an implant? Scientists worldwide are researching true biological tooth regrowth, but reality is still limited. In this video we explore global tooth regeneration science including Japan, USA, UK, Korea and China research trials, limitations, and real clinical reality today. As a dentist, I often see viral claims that humans can already regrow teeth, but scientific evidence shows this is still not available in routine practice today. Humans are diffeodont mammals, meaning we develop only two sets of teeth, primary teeth and permanent teeth, which are expected to last throughout adulthood life. Once a permanent tooth is lost, the human body cannot naturally replace it, which is why modern dentistry relies on implants, bridges and dentures for treatment. Unlike humans, sharks and some reptiles can continuously replace teeth throughout life due to their unique biological regeneration systems in nature evolution. For decades, scientists believed humans completely lost the ability to regrow teeth after permanent tooth development was finished during early childhood stages. Later researchers discovered rare cases where individuals develop extra teeth known as supernumerary teeth, suggesting hidden biological potential may exist. This observation led scientists to investigate whether dormant genetic pathways responsible for tooth formation might still be active inside human biology system. Tooth development depends on complex interaction between epithelial and mesenchymal cells guided by precise molecular signaling during embryonic development phase. When these biological signals are disrupted, teeth may not form properly, but when enhanced under conditions, they may potentially stimulate additional tooth growth. One major breakthrough came from Japan, where researchers studied a regulatory protein called USAG1 which controls tooth development signaling pathways system. USAG1 normally acts as a biological inhibitor of tooth formation signals. Researchers tested what happens when this protein is blocked in experimental studies. Animal studies showed that blocking USAG1 activated tooth-forming pathways and resulted in development of additional teeth in controlled laboratory experiments. These findings gained global attention because they suggested mammals may still possess dormant tooth regeneration ability under specific biological conditions. However, animal success does not automatically translate into human success because human biological systems are far more complex and difficult to control safely. Many media reports suggest Japan has already achieved tooth regrowth therapy, but scientific evidence shows this research is still in experimental development stage. Current Japanese research focuses mainly on congenital tooth agenesis patients who are born with missing teeth rather than routine adult tooth loss cases. As a dentist, this distinction is extremely important because congenital absence is biologically different from losing a fully formed adult tooth after extraction. Researchers still need to prove they can reliably regrow a complete functional adult human tooth with correct position, structure, and long-term biological stability. In the United Kingdom, researchers focus on regenerative dentistry using stem cells and bioengineering approaches to recreate natural tooth development conditions. King's College London is one of the leading centers studying how to grow biological tooth structures using controlled laboratory and cellular environments systems. Their goal is to develop living biological tooth replacements using patient-derived cells instead of artificial materials like implants or prosthetic restorations. In the United States, research focuses on stem cells, tissue engineering, and dental pulp regeneration for future biological tooth replacement technologies development. Dental pulp stem cells are widely studied because they show regenerative potential and may help in rebuilding dental tissues under controlled laboratory conditions. Scientists aim to develop biologically integrated tooth replacement systems that can naturally connect with surrounding bone, gum, and periodontal tissues properly. South Korea is researching cellular signaling pathways that control development of teeth, bone, and periodontal tissues in regenerative dental science studies field. These studies help scientists understand how oral tissues grow, repair, and interact with each other during normal biological development and healing processes. China has also become a major contributor to regenerative dentistry research, focusing on stem cells, scaffolds, and bioengineered tooth structure development work. Chinese scientists are experimenting with organoids and tissue engineering frameworks that may one day support formation of fully functional biological teeth. Despite different global approaches, all researchers face similar fundamental challenges in achieving predictable and functional tooth regeneration in humans. Growing tooth tissue alone is not enough. The regenerated tooth must function properly within complex environment of human mouth, including bite and alignment. The new tooth must erupt in correct position and align properly with surrounding teeth to maintain normal chewing function and dental occlusion stability system. Proper root formation, periodontal ligament development, blood supply and nerve integration are essential for long-term survival of regenerated tooth structure. Enamel formation remains one of the biggest challenges because it is the hardest mineralized tissue in human body and extremely difficult to regenerate naturally. Safety is critical because any regenerative treatment must not interfere with other biological systems or cause unintended effects in surrounding oral tissues. As a dentist, I believe predictability is the most important requirement. A treatment must work consistently across large number of real human patients safely. A scientific discovery becomes clinical treatment only after rigorous human trials confirm safety, effectiveness, and long-term stability in real-world conditions. Tooth regeneration is real global science, but currently no routine clinical treatment exists. Research is promising but still developing toward future application stage. Final conclusion: as a dentist, tooth regeneration is scientifically real, globally researched, but still not available as standard dental treatment for patients today. Subscribe Dental Decode AI for evidence-based dentistry.